spend too much time on them. We have to separate them. So it's better for us to start now, so later on, when we have family, we get to chill a little bit. Next, education carries weight. We cannot just say, oh, I'm going to drop out of school because Mark Zuckerberg did, and he's a billionaire now. You can't just say that. Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Zuckerberg dropped out of Harvard. And in order for him to drop out of Harvard, it means that he has to get into Harvard. And getting into Harvard means you have to be smart. You have to be smart and you have to study. And lastly,